Suede isn't like regular leather. पानी इसे flatten कर देगा, excessive pressure और गलत brush will damage it. That's why suede needs different approach, dry and controlled cleaning. And with the right tool, it's actually simple. Introducing the new and updated ProSuede Kit, which is purpose-built for suede and nubuck. Welcome to a brand new episode of SHOEGR Care Academy. It's your boy Mojo, aka SHOEGR Daddy. And today we are going to talk about our new and updated ProSuede Kit, which is purpose-built for suede and nubuck. Suede and nubuck are delicate, open fiber materials. If you introduce water, the texture can stiffen, discolor, or lose its snap. Dry cleaning protects the structure of the material while still removing dirt. Therefore, you need the SHOEGR ProSuede Kit. It includes a ProSuede eraser and our new 4-action ProSuede brush, designed to give you better control so you can clean without compromising texture. Use this kit when your pair has stains, dust buildup, and flattened texture, but always use it dry. To show you how to effectively use your ProSuede Kit, we are working on these Adidas Campus suede pair, which has a typical wear, surface marks, mild flattening, and dust around seams. Like any regular shoe, before start cleaning, we will remove the laces and dry brush the shoe thoroughly. For dry brushing, you can use soft brush. Now that the shoe is ready, we will start cleaning it with suede eraser. First, we will gently rub the surface. Let the friction lift the mark. We should not apply a lot of pressure. We can use the soft brush to get rid of the residue. And now we will bring the suede brush. For deeper dirt and deep set stains like this, use the brass and nylon bristles. Brush gently in one direction. Now you can see there are these few spots, they are very flattened. For seams and tight corners, we will use this knife edge brush. Now let's use our rising sun arc for all the grooves and rounded areas. Like you can see, we can use it here. Now we will finish it off with these short rubber bristles so that we bring the nap back all around the shoe. So I am going to go all over it. It's very important to go in one direction with the brush, because usually suede just hits one direction and it gets roughened to the other direction. This helps restore suede's natural texture. I will use the soft brush to clean away the residue and check the results. Now the suede kit has done its job. अब हमारा जो भी suede material है is back in action. But for the other materials like midsoles, outer soles, leather linings, and even inside the tongue, inner lining and overlays, we will be using regular cleaning methods, and for that we will be using our ultimate shoe cleaning kit. While using this, let's not try to get the surface wet. Suede नहीं तो हमारा वापस से खराब हो सकता है. The shoe is absolutely perfect. So if the shoe is old and the color is dull, you can always use Revive to restore it. It helps recolor faded patches, lift the nap, and bring the premium finish back. Additionally, after you've cleaned your suede sneakers, I highly recommend using SHOEGR Coat water and stain repellent to keep your sneakers clean and stay protected for longer. Look at the difference. before we end this video, here are these 2 suggestions that will give you the best use of ProSuede Kit. Number 1, never use a wet eraser. Also, do not use your ProSuede Kit on a wet shoe. If your shoe is wet, तो उसको dry होने दो and then clean your shoe and start using a ProSuede Kit. Second, always try to use it on a small part so that आपको पता चले कि color bleed नहीं हो रहा है. Some suedes like dark colorways and Puma Speed Cats, they tend to bleed color. Knowing if your shoe color bleeds or not, it will help you clean the shoe effectively. So suede doesn't need force, it requires control. Dry clean, restore, repeat. Also, do not forget to love your shoes. This is Mojo signing off from SHOEGR Care Academy, and I'll see you in the next video. Let's go!